What's going on, guys? Hope everybody's having a great day today. Welcome back to another pack opening video with the Gaming Bulldog. Today we are going to start on this booster box of Pokemon Sword and Shield packs. I am very excited to get into these. I have been playing a lot of Sword and Shield on the Switch. I have been really enjoying opening the Magic packs, but seen a lot of the same cards over and over since this is my second box on the same set or pack. But for now, we're going to start with 3 packs of this Pokemon Sword and Shield booster box. Keeping the video short and sweet, and hoping to keep on my routine of Magic on Mondays and Wednesdays, and Pokemon on Tuesdays and Thursdays. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into this first pack. Alright, we're going to start off with a Galarian Ponyta, a Cottony, Scorbunny, Silicobra, a Yamper. I do like the way that Yamper looks. We got our reverse foil Krabby, we got a Toxicroak, a Psychic Energy, Salazzle, Dugtrio, Pokemon Center Lady, and here's your code. Alright, on to pack number 2. Start this one off with a Mawile, Gossifleur, Goldeen, Diglett, Scorpy, reverse foil Quick Ball. That looks cool. Rillaboom. This is the evolution of the starter I went with. Fire Energy, Seeking, Thwacky, Lucky Egg, and another code for you. And time for our last pack of the video. Again, I have shortened these up so that way I can keep putting out videos and hopefully make them a little bit shorter and better quality in the process. Alright, we'll start this one off with a Wooloo, a Grookey. Alright, so we have pulled all 3 evolutions in this pack, or in this video. We got a Sobble, a Rhyhorn, Roselia, a reverse rare is going to be a Clobbopus, Cincino, Leaf Energy, Pokemon Catcher, Drizzle or Drizzile, Evolution Incense, and there's your last code. Alright, well that's going to do it for this video. Again, trying to keep them short and sweet. Hopefully you guys don't have any complaints about them being a little bit shorter. If you do, please leave a comment down below. I'm more than happy to cater my videos to you guys, the viewers. I just enjoy making them. It's you guys that have to watch them. That being said, that's going to be it for this one. Have a good one, and we'll see you in the next one.